What's up, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com today, coming at you with a quick video about the basic tools for affiliate marketing. These are absolute minimum tools. Without these tools, you might get lucky and get a sale here and there, because all you're going to do is direct link people. You're never going to get any real affiliate sales. And if you find this interesting, check out the first link in the description. It will send you to the course I took in order to learn what I know about affiliate marketing. And that course is very comprehensive. You can start as low as $7. I think it's just $7 to start. And it gives you 15 days worth, and you get a consultant that in them 15 days you go through a lot of material. It will take you from the bare bones, don't know nothing about everything. Even if you're an established affiliate marketer, it'll be even better for you, because it'll show you things that you didn't know. But anyway, please give the video a like and subscribe if you like what you're hearing. I'll try to come out with videos like this 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. So with that being said, let's get started. Like I said, this is basic tools for affiliate marketing. The first thing, you're going to need a website. No ifs, ands, or buts. There's different ways to go about it. You can go extremely cheap and not pay for a website, which then you don't own the domain, which means that, no matter what, say you bought a Wix site, right? Or got a Wix site. It's a free site. You can use it. But if Wix goes away, where's that site going to go? It's going to go with them. It's not going to be yours. It's not going to be anything else. That's the reason why I really suggest going with WordPress. You can get a free WordPress site, but once you start making money, you can buy the domain and have a true.com like I do now. It's Mike'sMoneyTips.com. That's my blog. It's mine. I can do whatever I want to with it. I can put whatever I want to on it. It's like your house. It's your piece of property. You can do whatever you want to on it. But with that being said, though, there is another. Now, I think I paid, when I started my website, I want to say it was $12 for the domain name. I went through Namecheap. It's really easy to get a domain name. And it's yours. It's like I said, you own it. It's digital real estate. But with that being said, though, you're going to need hosting as well. And hosting, depending on what you need, most people starting out is going to need bare minimum hosting. You ain't going to need no super expensive hosting. My number one recommendation for that is Bluehost. Mainly because you can get it for $3 a month. Most people spend more than that on a Starbucks coffee, in a month. Let's face it, if you can't afford $3 a month, maybe you need to reconsider what you're doing. And if you don't like Bluehost, you can go with HostGator. There's, what's the other one? There's another one out there too, and I don't remember what it is. But, they're all decent hosting. I just chose Bluehost because it's one of the cheapest ones out there. And it does everything I need to do. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I can plug in all my plugins and everything else I need for my website on their dashboard, and WordPress dashboard coexist really well together. So that's the reason why I'm where I'm at. Next, you're going to need an offer. Let's face it. If you don't have an offer to promote to somebody, you're never going to make a sale. I mean, it's like a lot of people think affiliate marketing is real hard. And it's not the easiest thing. I'm still trying to figure out how to market myself. But I'm starting to get the hang of it. And, it is doing its thing. It's getting better. So, but you can get an offer from ClickBank, JVZoo, Offer Vault, which most Offer Vaults is CPA offers, which means a lot of these are lead type offers that will pay anywhere from about $1.50, all the way up to $800-900 for the lead, depending on what it is. Normally, I like looking at $5 or $6 leads because normally all they got to do is get maybe their name and an email address. Email address is always going to be there. If you got a $800 or $900 lead offer, you're going to want their firstborn. I mean, you're going to want everything. They're going to have to put in a lot of effort for that. But for $1 to $5, generally you can get away with just needing an email address. And, it's generally for something somebody wants anyway. It's what's called a lead magnet. You can do all that in the WordPress. You don't have to do ClickFunnels and everything. I like ClickFunnels. It's a good software. Don't get me wrong. Or Builderall, either one, depending on your preference. But you can do all that through a WordPress site. You don't even have to have that. So, that brings down your cost as well. As long as you have a lead magnet, you're good. And then you're going to need an autoresponder to follow up with these leads after you try to sell them. What autoresponder is, it's a way to send out emails to your potential client or lead or whatever you want to call them for 5 to 7 days after your initial contact. Most people aren't going to buy on that initial contact. Most people are going to want, let's face it, we all buy from people we know, like, and trust. You're not going to buy from some Joe Blow off the road that you've never met before unless he just has absolutely the perfect thing that you was looking for. I mean, let's face it, that's the way it is. So, that's the reason why you need an autoresponder to follow up with these people. You write an email, you write 5, 6, 7 emails for 5 to 7 days. Schedule it to where to go out one a day after that person puts in their lead information for that offer. And it does it automatically. You only got to write the email once. There's ways to get their name put in there. There's, whatever information you got out of them, you can put into that email. Like, hey, Mike, how are you doing today? Will be, the very first line in there. But yet, you only wrote that email one time. You didn't write it to Mike. You just wrote, hey, put in a piece of code, which all the autoresponders will tell you what code to put in there. Don't worry, it's not, you don't have to know how to code. But with that being said, you've got Aweber, MailChimp, which is a free autoresponder, but they're not real affiliate friendly. You've got GetResponse, you've got Fusionsoft, ActiveCampaign. Let's see, what else is on this thing? You got Paradox, Nibble, Action, HubSpot. You've got Constant Contact. You've got a lot of different ones, and if I remember, I'll put some links to all this stuff in the description. Don't hold me to that. I'll try to remember, but that's a lot of information to try to look up but if I remember, I will. But you will need an autoresponder to help sell the product. But okay, where are you going to get the lead? Of course, you got to have traffic. What traffic is, it's just eyeballs to your offer. Don't think of it as anything else. That's all it is. But where do you find traffic? Well, you got Facebook. You know, you can write a post on Facebook, say, hey, I got this wonderful thing. I need to sell it. You know, whatever it is. But don't come off spammy. You know, write a story. Tell your story. Do what you got to do to sell the product, to make it sound good. Get a piece of PLR literature that you can put out as a lead magnet. You can get it for free a lot of times, you know, and just give it away. That way you can get the person's name, email, you know, whatever you need. Or you can do it on YouTube like I'm doing. You know, that's just like, if you remember back at the beginning of the video, I said, you know, my number one way that I've learned all this is through the first link in the description. It's true. But that's also an affiliate link. I'm not going to lie to you. It's, you know, it's going to help me out, just like the ClickFunnels link, just like the book link. All these are affiliate links, but, you know, with affiliate marketing, it don't cost you anything extra to buy through that link. I just get a cut out of it, out of the profit. Trust me, the company gets a lot bigger cut than we do. And then you got Instagram. You know, you can put up an Instagram story. You can make you a little minute-long video. Say, hey, look at me. I'm using this great product. See how great it tastes, or what it's doing for me, or, you know, whatever it is. You got Pinterest. I love Pinterest. Personally, I don't use it really to sell on, but I love Pinterest. I've actually looked at people's affiliate links on Pinterest. It's really a good way to sell. It's just, I'm not a real picture taking person, so I don't have a whole lot of pictures of stuff that, you know, I can go online and get them, but I don't know, I just ain't a big person to do that. So that's the reason why I don't use it to sell. But there's people out here making 7 figures a year at least. I know there's people out there making 6 figures a month on Pinterest, so it's a good way to sell. And that's really all you need to start affiliate marketing. I mean, is there more to it? Oh, without doubt. It is a skill that you have to learn, and I'm learning it as I go. So, you know, anybody that has a question, wants to bounce ideas off of me, I'm more than willing to listen, possibly help you out and everything else, because, you know, if you're watching this video, you're probably just like me and starting out. So, you know, we could kind of hold each other's hands, say, come on, let's go. You know, it'd be a wonderful thing. And, you know, as always, please like and subscribe. Remember, I come out with videos Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. And, you know, I try my best to give out value. You know, it is what it is. I just try my best to give y'all what you need. You know, if I hear about something, I try to make a video about it. So, you know, if you didn't see the video I seen, maybe you can catch my video. You know, it just helps us all out. But with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.